Yeah.
This is just to make sure it's reading properly, I guess.
Right. To check the calibration, you have to take off the leaf guard. First, you have to hold the SPAD meter together to get a blank reading.
Blank reading.
Then you check the calibration against the chip.
73.7, and that is a 73.1 plus or minus 3.
3 or 4 times.
3 or 4 times.
Just make sure it's okay. And you can clear the data. And now you're ready to take readings on the plant.
Okay.
We will take 20 readings on the ear leaf, in the middle of the ear leaf, halfway down, and then per plot of representative plants, and then average them.
So we'll have about 20 per plot.
The first thing you do is you power it on. It'll say calibration, and you want to hold this in until it zeroes it out and you get those 3 dashes. And once you get those 3 dashes, you're able to start to take your SPAD readings. And what you want to do at this stage in the corn is you want to find your uppermost eared leaf, which would be this one right here. And you want to basically go halfway in between it. And it's a little damaged, so we're going to have to go a little bit lower. But about halfway in. And then you're going to stick the SPAD meter in all the way until it hits these leaf guards right here on the edge. And then you're going to close it in and wait till it takes its reading, which would be 61.3. And what you're going to do for the plots is you're going to take 20 readings total. We do on rows 3 and 5, 10 on each. And then you're going to take the average. So we'll do another quick reading right here. Try to find us another good leaf. This one's not that great, but it'll do for our example. 66.5. Then after this n equals 20, n equals 2 gets up to 20, you'll hit average, and that's what you will write down for each plot in our alfalfa trial. And then when you reach 20 readings, you want to hit all data clear, and go back to 0, and you're ready to start on your new plot.
Okay.
So occasionally when you're taking your SPAD measurements, you'll get a reading that maybe seems a little off or a little too high. Sometimes at this point, the growth stage of the corn is 75, or if you get like 150, what's best to do is hit the 1 data delete button. You'll just delete that 1 data point, the 75 right there, and then you go back and you retake it in the same spot in the leaf, and you'll get a more precise value.
59 versus 75.
So every now and then, the SPAD meter will read error, meaning that maybe the leaf wasn't on straight, or there's a hole in the leaf. Some kind of issue went on where it did not take the reading. All you have to do is put the SPAD meter back where you had it and just try to take another reading again. There you go. So the error went away, and that's the reading that it will log.